It was a patriotic scene at Grace Episcopal Cathedral this morning as people gathered for a celebration of our nation. Decked out in red, white, and blue, the congregation reflected, rejoiced, and remembered what it means to be American. 13's Callie Holthouse has their story.
Bells ringing, voices singing, flags waving in the air. Just a few of the sights and sounds here at Grace Cathedral this Independence Day.
Anybody can become anything in America. You know, you can be a Marine Corps officer, you can go be the president, you can be, a little small business shop owner. You can just come from nothing and be everything.
On his way to 29 Palms, Second Lieutenant Brendan Armstrong joined in the celebrations.
Be able to participate in activities that, make you feel like your sacrifice is worth it really helps a lot.
Reverend Jody Carroll recognized the servicemen and women in attendance. As a Navy veteran, she takes a moment to soak in the applause.
That's always a kind of a fun moment, is to call out the United States Navy and know that the applause also, and my wife is in the congregation, and so I know that she's applauding for me as well.
Teachers, elected officials, and emergency service workers were among those also recognized for their service to America.
If your passion drives you to work for the good in God's creation, then that's worth recognizing as well.
Eric McHenry was the Kansas Poet Laureate from 2015 to 2017. In a speech centered around diverse dialects within the English language, McHenry emphasized the value of our differences.
We're nothing without each other, and our differences are our strengths.
He says his speech is a call for reflection at a time when differences are often presented as threats.
I don't think that that's the America we are meant to be or are going to be, but we do have some work to do, and so I thought maybe in some small way this could contribute to that.
In Topeka, I'm Callie Holthouse, 13 News.
Callie, thanks. The ceremony ended with an ice cream social, really the perfect way to beat the heat this 4th of July. Topeka